I got this relay pulled out from the control board from a used microwave, and here's the microwave control board. This is the one I fixed today. The customer's complaint was that the unit would run for 3 seconds and then it would shut off and then it would not work anymore. The display was still on, it would beep and then it would stop working. So I did a lot of testings. I was looking at this relay, which was not the problem, and then of course this was the main problem. I could not find this part from DG Key. Usually I order my small capacitors, fuses, relays, resistors, transformers, everything from there, but this was the part I could not find the part number from them. And here you can see I replaced it. Long story short, the unit is fixed and it's working perfectly fine. And I'll just show you the model number on this unit too. It's located right here. Thank you.